Good afternoon, all are you. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic and Department of Information Technology. On today's practical session, we start the practical number 11 and 12 on course that is subject Apply Multimedia Techniques. Here, marks allocation for your subject. Here, vision mission of departmental vision is to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission, first, the three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Syllabus for there, 5 units are there. Course outcome, after the completion of this practical, we achieve which CO? Second CO, that is edit images using graphical processing tools. This is a practical course outcome matrix. On today's practical session, we learn the practical number 11 and 12 that is mapped within a CO2. Practical number 11, working with layers to produce image. Means in short, you already studied we already learned the Pencil 2D software. In that, how to layers are used. These are the practical significances. After that, PO. Each PO are able, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, lifelong learning. After that, practical outcomes. What is the practical outcomes? Create the images based on layers. Okay, these are the minimum theoretical background. Means image effect. This is table are completed. After result conclusion. These are 3 questions are there. These are the theory questions are there that are completed. Extra questions are there. In PPT I have added that. Solve it. After that, these exercise questions, practical related questions are there. I will demonstrate you how to solve it. That table. Okay, in this practical we use the Pencil 2D. After that, the fourth question, extra questions is write step to add the new frame in a Pencil 2D. Okay, other questions, all questions are homework for you. Okay. Open Pencil 2D. First of all, first question. Suppose we solve the exercise questions. First, open Pencil 2D or any other graphical processing tool. We use Open Pencil 2D. First, add sound audio layer. Okay. After, import any audio to the background of animation and save image. Okay. First of all, add the sound layer. Okay. Okay. How to add this? In this also click that. Okay. Otherwise, in that question, said as the import any audio to the background of animation. Okay, and save that image. How to add audio or sound layer. Clear that how to add this in a layer. Go in a layer option, add a layer. In that you choose the sound layer. In this also using through this add that sound. Otherwise, in that import sound. Okay, in your computer by default sounds are present in anyone you choose it, okay, and you play it. Okay, or in that question is said as the background of an animation. Okay, so in that create one animation. For example, okay, this wise you add the sound. Okay, in this also you add the any animation, after that you give the sound for that animation, this like. Okay, means in short, in first question said as the how to add the sound layer. After second, in a second question, select any graphical processing tool, means we use the pencil 2D, perform the following operations. Add a new bitmap layer. After that, draw Indian tricolor on bitmap layer, make it as a keyframe, add the flowers after the every 5 frames. Means in short, in that said as the flag hosting ceremony will be performed. Okay, how will be possible? Take a new file. Okay, in a bitmap layer, let's say it as the draw Indian Tiranga. Okay, I'm not done, I'm showing that. Okay, I'm to try draw the Tiranga. You also try it. Okay, this is a thickness, so in option add that size, sorry, increase that size. Okay, clear that. If you want to more thickness of that line, you also that's like. Okay, you show that a flag hosting ceremony. Okay, so in that said as the in on a bitmap layer, that's are shown it. After that, in that question said as the make it as a keyframe and add flowers after every 5 frames. Okay, will be possible. You know, for example, after 5 frame. Okay, after 5 frames means your keyframe will be going a. Okay, in that take a frame, in that we imagine that as a flower. First of all, in that first frame also create the flower. For example, I am drawing to draw the flower. on a 5 frame. This is a current frame. For example, that draw the flower. Again after 5 means on a 10. Add a frame, then also create the flower. You choose the color, then color also you choose it. And not drawing as a flower, you draw the flower type. Okay. Again after that, play it. You imagine that. Okay, you just like as a flag hosting ceremony, you show it. Again I am showing it. First of all, we draw the flag. One option is there. In a one frame we created that flag. Some flowers are added. After each 5 frames, some flowers are added, and we run it. That's like a flag hosting ceremony is done. How to draw it? That first of all we draw the flag. Select the color. And to try to draw the flag. Okay, after that we choose the, if you want to color the, choose the color, then draw the flower. For example, draw this like flower. Sorry. Okay, again we duplicate that frame up to 5, because in a question after the 5 add some flowers. Okay, same color, or not to use the different colors, you use same color, because after when we run that, not a show clearly, means different colors are displayed. So that again we duplicate that slide up to 10, sorry 10, add some flowers again. Again we duplicate the slide up to 15, add some flowers. Okay, and run it just like as a in a loop. Like this, like you see as a, you imagine that flag hosting ceremony is done. That's like you created it. Okay, after that, next question, select any graphical processing tools, add the import 5 images on different layers and different frames. Same question, means take a new slide that said as the different shapes in different layer and also in different frame. Means create one layer, in that draw the one shape, example circle. Another one, create the new again. Okay, in create the new layer, new bitmap layer. Okay, that in a different frame, so taking a second frame, in that drawing a circle, for example, picking in a next frame, choosing a third frame, rectangle, draw it. Some mistake are there, run this like. Okay, their frame rates is this, then see it. Clear that? This is your third question. That's like complete your practical number 11. In a practical number 12, merging images to produce the collage images. This is a pencil tool, is very easy software and simple, but practice this is must. Okay, when you are familiar with that software, then you easily draw it and easily use it, that software. Okay, next practical number 12, merging images to produce collage images. Means in short, we create the collage images. Okay, what is the practical outcomes? Merge the multiple photographs using any 2D image processing software. And the table is there that completed. In the practical, extra questions are there and result. Now conclusion, by this practical I am able to working with layers to produce image. After that, practical number 12, the softwares are there, that softwares are use it. After that, okay, extra questions are there, and given extra question, visit that URL and make a collage of 5 company names, 5 company images and give the name. The questions exercise for you. Okay. These questions, first of all, this is solve it. After that, result conclusion. After that, practical number 12, that complete that table. That's practical related question, exercise question, conclusion, result and conclusion. In a question, what is the question is there. Also, 3 questions are theory related questions that are completed it. 1 extra questions are there in added in a PPT, that also they are completed. In that set as the open paint any other graphic processing tool. Okay, add 5 image on canvas, adjust the size of the all images as per requirement and save image. Okay, means so in short, open the paint. In that paint you add the 5 images. Okay, and that 5 images we adjust the size only for this practical and save the image. Clear that? Means open the paint. Okay, in a question, this said open paint, add 5 images on canvas, adjust the size. Okay, as per your, if you want any your choice, you adjust that size. How to possible? In a paste from, add the image, added it, open it. After that, again second image, just like you add the 5 images and you adjust that size, just like. Okay, 5 images are drawn and that save that image. Again, next question, close it, don't save, you save it. Select the new collage, go in that, visit that URL. I have already opened that URL. Okay, clear the canvas. Yes. Okay, first of all we add the images. That's like, any question, what is the said? Select new collage, add the 7 images, select the appropriate layout template, take it. After that, give the caption as a my collage and save it on that desktop. Save it. Okay. Okay, that's next set as a add the template. After that, caption and save. Template, for example, only for 2 images there, so okay. After that, add the text. Color, do you want to color? Also change it. Go alignment center. It bold, italic, underline, font anything. Then change the properties. Sorry, I am not a saving. Select it, so not any changes. Okay, changes on that operations are performed, and that save it. Do collage, save as image. Okay, the next question, following this link. Okay, select the image manager. After that, 10 images are imported and select this background, and if you want to any layout, that layout is select it, and after that add your name as a text and save it. Will be possible. I have already opened this. First of all, newly open it. Okay, it is must for your AMT practical. Okay, let's say as the image manager. No, continue, not continue. So, okay. Start new. Okay, computer through, add the images. In that question set as the 10 images and add a 3 images. Okay, just like After that, these are fill it. Dislike. Okay. You change the layout, then also change it. For example, this is like, okay. After that, give any background or any add the text in that side as the question. What is the side as the add your name. Okay. Giving the books. Okay. Change the background. In question said as the double 2 is the in question said as the double 2 DB9B. DB9B. The color is set it. Move it to add your name. I am adding the book name. Title as a book. Okay. After that, in a question, save it. That save options are there. Using this save option, save it. Okay. We complete the practical number 12. Result of conclusion: by this practical I am able to merge in the images to produce the collage image. Okay, in that questions, extra questions are there. In that, make the 5 company images and give the name as. Okay. Summary: practical number 11 and practical number 12 are done. By this practical I am able to working with layers to produce the image, and now practical number 12 I am able to merging images to produce the image. Okay, homework for you: prepare the practical number 11 and 12 in a notebook. These following points are completed. Stop on today's practical session. In this practical session, any doubts or arise, then contact with me. Thank you.